Smoother, faster, better, stronger, bubblier, nuttier, freer. These are just some of the words people would be using to describe one of the most significant moves in NFT history. Listen. Alright, not only is it a significant move in NFT history, but also NFTs mean nothing because this project doesn't need NFTs at all. Welcome back to Cryptopia, where we go over the digitization of our world one video at a time. Today, exploring the BubbleBots mobile game by Peanut Games. Now, the hype around NFTs have died down, we know it and we can see it. But here's the best part of BubbleBots and Peanut Games, the company, a Web3 company that also doesn't need NFTs. They've been building since the start. They've been building during the hype and are building well after it. The game is free. Take that again. Rewind. Now the NFT Web3 game is free. That's right, you don't have to spend a dime. In fact, they're more likely to give you money than you are to spend it. With the amount of giveaways they've had for the top players of their game, and even random Twitter Space giveaways that have nothing to do with the game. It's just good old-fashioned fun that anyone can jump in and get involved with. In case you haven't heard of Peanut Games and their first mobile game, Minibots, here it is. Basically, someone saw Candy Crush and thought, you know what? This is missing some things. It needs robots, it needs bombs, and it needs free money, baby. Not really free, you gotta play to get the money, but I guarantee you it's better than your 9 to 5 slogging away to a system that doesn't even like you, while they pray for the day that ChatGPT is good enough to tell you to piss off, they don't have to pay you anymore. Is that what you want? So that's why you take a look at Peanut Games. So BubbleBots is a Candy Crush-like game with blockchain additions to it. That's to put it simply. But the blockchain portion isn't even really needed. You can play the game without even knowing what an ERC 721 token is. And I'm not going to explain it. You don't need to know what it is. It's the coding standard commonly used for NFTs, so that's why we are talking about this now. So why are we talking about this now? Well, last time I made a video on this game, on this company, on these guys, they had only the browser version available, which looks good, was playable, and kept you coming back for more. Now, look at it. New challenges, new ways to make money, baby. New design, it's looking sleek and deadly. This is the latest version of BubbleBots turned Minibots, available on Android, the best type of phone out there, and also on the Fruit one. The point of Peanut Games has always been to make their game easier for people to play, more accessible for people, and just plain fun for people. You see how they have 4 people in there? It's almost like they're a business providing a model for continuous growth rather than just a get-rich-quick scheme. Strange that people do that and can do that, and still somehow the Web3 community doesn't do that. Good thing we have places like Peanut Games to go to. Anyways, with their game now out, you can play on the go with ease and comfort, which means if you want, you can earn money on the go with ease and comfort, baby. More money, baby. The more you play, the more you're gonna make. Now, about that, I do suggest going to their Discord and getting to know the community. I mean, this is Web3 after all, so the ability to acquire tokens is there. That's the big money part, right? You're gonna be getting their native token. But like I said, you don't have to play it or that. You can just go in there and have some fun. The NFTs are also there, but you don't need those to play either. If you want to be part of the whole Web3 experience, and you might come in here being like, nah, I don't want that shit. But eventually, hey, the option's there, you can take it or leave it, and that's how Web3 gaming really should be handled, but that's just my opinion. So they offer the 4 Builders NFT. So this is a collection used to reward Peanut Games early supporters, and it was minted for free back in June of 2022. So you fucked up because you can't get it for free anymore. But hey, even if you can't and you gotta pay nowadays, you can still pick these up on OpenSea on the cheap right now while you still can, right? So holding an FTB, as they call it, will give you access to Discord's alpha channels and also reward you with bubbles, which you can track on the airdrop page. And more utility will be introduced for this collection in the future. Let's talk about the Netherthorn Mint. To talk about this, we need to step into the lore of the project a little bit and how the Netherthorn collection plays a role. So the Netherthorn passes, that's what you'll be getting, grants individuals access to enter the largest and most ancient of ships, okay? These ships are from the Parlusians, and yo, let me tell you about the Parlusians, bruv. Okay, home to the bubble bots. Those who hold this pass will have lifetime. Did you hear me the first time I said lifetime? Actually, it's forever, but you're gonna die eventually. So you can pass it on to your children to carry on your legacy into eternity in that way. But that's a mouthful, so for now, we're just gonna say lifetime, okay? So the pass grants you access to the most sought after knowledge and wisdom in the space, meaning each Netherthorn pass is a lifetime battle pass for their mobile games. Something to keep in mind, even as every game, that's right, I said every game is going to be free to play. Something to keep in mind. There will be a monthly subscription of $20 per month to have access to more cosmetic rewards, certain items, accessories, certain modes, and features. Not play to win. I can't stress that enough. So remember, Netherthorn Pass is to be a lifetime, actually forever, but a lifetime studio-wide game pass. That means all the games created by Peanut Games, all of them, count them, you can't, there's going to be so damn many. Additionally, a holder of the Netherthorn Pass will receive all the benefits of the monthly battle pass, but will never have to buy the monthly subscription as long as they hold a pass. Netherthorn Pass holders can also sell and trade the pass. Why? Because it's an NFT. So if they choose to do so, always remember, this is Web3, baby. NFTs, tokens, can sell all that shit. So, as if you didn't already get enough from these NFTs, the Netherthorn Pass Mint also comes with an airdrop of unique BubbleBots characters. During their mint process, each mint guarantees one of the 999 Netherthorn passes and has a 100% chance of being airdropped a one of 999 BubbleBot NFTs. Meaning, what does that mean? Can you count? It means you get two for the price of what? One, you get two. That's good math. That's a good ratio, okay? Not a scam like those other places that say, hey, send me your Bitcoin and I'll send you even more Bitcoin after you send me less Bitcoin, because I'm a magician. These 999 bubble bots are rare characters that cannot be obtained in the mobile game ever, and have special attributes and abilities. If you're into NFTs, this is a project to check out. Unlike a ton of other Web3 companies, hell, if you're not into NFTs, you should also check it out. If you're just into like mobile gaming, check them out. But unlike a bunch of other Web3 companies, Peanut Games is one of a small pool of companies that have actually delivered on what they say they would. So for now, something I really would like to talk about, in the vein of delivering and other projects that have completely fucked up and completely disappeared, is the fact that this is a Web3 company. So they are a company, a business, with plans to continue into the gaming entertainment space while providing a Web3 blockchain additional experience for those that want it but don't. It's not necessary for people who don't want it. It's not a big surprise that companies like Square Enix are taking a lot of heat from their fans. Now, maybe you don't know about this, but basically Square Enix announced it would be getting into Web3 and integrating it into future games. That was their plan. In fact, the trailer for the game Symbiogenesis was dropped on the 17th of March, I believe. This is their NFT game, and they'll feature 10,000 characters with unique designs across various races and professions. These characters will also be available to be used as PFPs, whereas some companies like Ubisoft have turned their backs on NFT gaming as the future entirely, or at least very strongly right now, kind of taking a a 180 on that. Square Enix is taking a big bet, much like Meta did, and we all kind of know and see how that's working out for them. Now, as long as they take the Peanut Games approach, I don't think Square Enix will have a problem, okay? A fun game with NFTs and blockchain add-ons instead of being the core of the game itself and how everything within the game functions. I think Symbiogenesis has a good shot, though I don't really know much about the game itself, to be honest. And the character in terms of the art has not even been revealed, so we'll have to see how that works out. But at least if they do those things that I previously just said, they'll be a good shot at the beginning part of the NFT gaming industry alongside companies like Peanut Games. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. Go check out the game. I link to their Discord, their website, their Twitter in the description down below. It's a fun, quick game you can play on the go, kill some time, make some money all at the same time. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.